Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Skin is Fitness. First of all, thank you so much for being here. It has been almost like 2.5 years since I posted my last video. It was pretty much like I really forgot that I have a YouTube channel because what to say, life happened and I was just so occupied with a couple of other things to focus. So finally today I managed to find some time to record this video peacefully and publish it for each of you. I really want to thank each of you from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos and leaving some lovely comments every now and then. Those little efforts from you have actually made me record this video today. Coming back to today's video, if you are someone who is finding issues with gaining proper weight, maintaining it afterwards, building an appetite and all that, this video is definitely gonna help you. Because this is my weight gain journey. This is more of a video from my own personal experience and struggles of gaining and maintaining my body weight. This is literally how I finally came out of the underweight borderline of the BMI. To be precise, this is how I went from 48 kilograms to 56 kilograms. So first of all, if you haven't checked your body mass index yet, please do so. I'll leave the link to the BMI calculator in the description box below, so you can just click on the link and check it for yourself. So before I get into the details, I really want you to watch this video completely because I have tried to cover up almost all of the potential questions or doubts that you may have to ask me. And I also want you to know that this is not a sponsored video. All the products mentioned in this video are purchased by myself with my own money. After all, who is there to sponsor a YouTube channel with just over 1000 subscribers? Having said that, I have been trying to build an appetite by trying out various weight gain products available in the Indian market for a number of years now. So let me tell you, how does weight gain products actually work? Or probably how is it supposed to work? By consuming these products, what we are trying to achieve is build a strong appetite. For many of us, the reason why we remain underweight is that we don't have this fire in us. This fire is nothing but appetite. Once you have enough appetite, you can effortlessly gain weight unless you have lower metabolism or some other health issues that hinder you from gaining proper weight. So I have tried a couple of Indian weight gain products now, and I thought I would give you a quick comparison of all these products and tell you how they all helped me with my weight gain journey. So let me start with the Endura Mass Weight Gainer. I tried the chocolate flavor one. Let me quickly gather the pros and cons for you. So the Endura Mass Weight Gainer is actually reasonably priced in the Indian market, and also it had given me no side effects as well. But I seriously did not like the taste of it. You need to mix it with milk because this is in the powder form. You can use it with hot milk or cold milk, any way you like, but I think I remember mixing it with cold milk and the powder was like really difficult to get dissolved. Alternatively, you can also blend it with any dense fruits like banana or apple and have it as a smoothie. Now, talking about the results, I guess I did not get any significant result from this Endura Mass Weight Gainer. Having said that, I really wanted to mention one more thing, that is I haven't gone past the first bottle for many of these products, okay? Having said that, I really wanted to mention one more thing, that is I haven't used beyond the first bottle for many of these products except for the last one. It was mainly because I couldn't stand the taste of it. And obviously I haven't got any major results as well. So the second product that I tried was the Protein-X nutritional drink in the original flavor. I clearly remember that it had a very bad taste. As this is also in the powder form, you need to mix it with milk and have it. So as I said, I have tried the original flavor of this product, and I remember I vomited completely when I tried it for the second time, and I have never returned to this product ever again. But Protein-X is available in various other flavors as well, but I haven't had the courage to try out other flavors of Protein-X because of this bad experience. And the next product that I tried was this Bee Protein Nutrition Supplement in chocolate flavor. Unlike the other two products that we have discussed so far, I really like the taste of this one. This is also in the powder form, so you need to mix it with milk and have it as such. And this is also a reasonably priced product, and I had faced no side effects with the use of it. Even though I really like the taste of this product, to be very frank, I don't remember the reason why I did not purchase the second bottle. I guess it is probably because I'm not a fan of having milk, so maybe that is the reason I got bored and stopped it as such. Also, the quantity of the product is pretty low. It is halfway empty already at the moment of purchase, so that can be the reason as well. And then I tried the most famous Epitamin weight gain syrup. I remember purchasing it online from the website called netmeds.com. If I am not wrong, I have purchased like 4 or 5 bottles of this one, but I haven't used beyond 3 bottles probably. The major con of this product was that I had a really tough time coping up with the side effects of this product. For the first week of the use of this product, I had severe body pain, and I also had issues like drowsiness and dizziness and all that. The price of this product is actually really affordable for anybody who wants to gain weight. I think it just cost rupees 120 or something for one bottle. And coming to results, Epitamin syrup really worked. I would have gained 3 to 4 kgs by the consumption of 2 bottles itself. One thing that you have to make sure with the use of Epitamin is that you need to use it continuously. That is, you have to be really regular with the consumption of this item. The reason I stopped using Epitamin was because it was too sweet for my taste. I would say it was much like having a concentrated sugar syrup. It was really hard for me to gulp it down every time. So I would really recommend going for the Epitamin syrup if you are someone who is looking for a cheap and effective or probably a much more budget friendly weight gain product to use in the long run. Just make sure to see that once you have gained or once you have reached your desired weight, just don't stop the use of it abruptly. Even after you have reached your desired weight, continue to use it further with a reduced dosage. That is, if you have been using it twice a day, you can cut down the dosage to once a day and then further use it on the alternative day only. Just like that, you can reduce the usage of it. And the final product which has actually helped me gain weight is this Stamigen malt. Coming to the pros and cons of this one, I would say this is reasonably priced for a weight gain product. Usually the Ayurvedic weight gain products are charged higher than the other ones in the market, but this one is an exemption, I would say. This product is similar to the texture of Chyawanprash. It is in the paste form, and even though this is an Ayurvedic product and they claim to have nothing artificial in it, I did face some side effects, which is actually much similar to Epitamin syrup, I would say. It gave me joint pain, especially on my leg. I was overall feeling a little unwell for the first week. I had muscle cramps and I was also feeling drowsy in the first week of its usage, which is quite a strange thing to happen with Ayurvedic products, I would say. But I believe this can differ from person to person because, as we know, everybody's body reacts differently to things. But since this is an Ayurvedic product, I decided to keep all my doubts and assumptions regarding this one to one side and try it further. So slowly my body got adjusted to it and I grew my appetite to its best. Coming to the results, I have so far used around 5 bottles of this one. They advise to have it 30 minutes after your breakfast and dinner, so basically 2 times a day. As we have to be really consistent and regular with Ayurvedic products in order to get the best results, I did the exact same thing. Yet another thing that I would want to clarify here is that for the first time of my purchase, I ordered it online and I really liked its taste. So the product that came through this order was actually having a smooth consistency and it had a sweet taste. The prominent taste was sweetness. But for my second purchase, I brought it offline from a nearby medical store and I seriously disliked the taste and texture of it. For this one, the whole texture of the product was completely different. It felt more grainy and the prominent taste was bitterness. I quickly did a brief research over this and I noticed that this offline purchase of mine was an older stock compared to my online purchase. It wasn't expired, so I wrote to the customer care asking if it was a normal thing for the product to change its texture and taste, provided that it is an Ayurvedic product. But unfortunately, I did not hear back from them. So coming to the most interesting part, the results, I think I gained around 3 kgs from the use of the first bottle itself. The 500 grams bottle lasts for around 15 days and you can go for the 1 kg bottle if you need to use it for 1 month. Now you might be thinking if this product will be causing any inconvenience to your work schedule, like if your appetite will be so high that you won't be able to concentrate on your daily activities as well, right? So for me personally, every time I sat down to have my meal, I was able to consume larger portions of food than usual. The rest of the time I was just doing absolutely fine as otherwise, and all the side effects were subsided by the first week itself. I gained around 10 kgs effortlessly with this product, I would say. So just to help you out, I am giving you a price comparison of all these products. For the Stamigen malt, the MRP is rupees 695 for 500 grams and it is rupees 1300 for 1 kg bottle. For all this product, I am just mentioning the MRP. You can get it at a discounted price on Amazon and other similar websites online. And the MRP of Epitamin syrup is rupees 150 for 200 ml bottle. For bee protein chocolate flavor, it is rupees 229 for 200 grams. And for the Proteinx nutritional drink in original flavor, it is rupees 585 for 400 grams can. So that is all for today's video. I have gained my weight with the help of Stamigen malt. But just like how I clearly mentioned in this video, every product has its own pros and cons. So you need to figure out which one works the best for you in terms of money and results. Thank you for watching.